Mangashothi ngizofika. Mangashotha. Phela uma kasihle lona
khona season 3.
Uyabona ke.
Cha ngiyabuza khona season 3.
Okay. Uyabona umkhonyane lo. Megano uzozibopha ifako okuhluphekeni kwangempela.
Ukuhlupheka okudingwa indoda. Balekile. Indoda engenakho lokuhlupheka nomuzwa ngeke.
Ngempela.
Ungabezwa beyincoma bethe mina ngifuna ukugana mina yikho leyo nto. Mangabe ungaganiwe emzini wakho yindlu. Singena sibuze ukuthi ukuphi imfethu singena endlini asingqonqozi.
Nango umfundisi. Yazi lo mfundisi akaganiwe.
Shumayelanga akaganiwe.
Hayi mbuzo.
Hayi man,
uyibeka wrong. Uyibeka wrong. Ngiganiwe mina. Kuphela into eyenzeka umfazi wadayisa ngento engiyikhokhela. Wanikeza umuntu ngabe sengithi akagoduka. Uma egoduka ithi ke lithi izwi lenkosi engikholela kulona mina. Awumziki umfazi wakhe sekhona. Oze kufanele uqala afe lo mfazi bese uyaphinde uyazayo.
Ngeke ukuyichezisa. Ngeke
Uyipanisha wena phela.
Ukuyichezisa lo.
Ngiyipanishe mina ngoba angithi uyena onini. Mina ngonanga mina ngoba ngifebanga ekhona. Uyena ofebe ngikhona. Uyabona lonto. Manje ithi ke lento unokuba ngihlale naye ngoba vele asathandana naye. Ngona godu ayohlala kubo. Aqhubeke nempilo yakhe mina ngizohlalela ekhaya yena azabe hayi ukuthi
wathatha iadvice noma isinqumo sakho
sinqumo seBhayibheli kumina eliphila kumina yabona lona ithi ke lento ke
uzovele ngashoni
uyabona sixosha manje
imali ngibe ngiphinde futhi
ikhuluma
aningixoshi
ikhuluma
kodwa into ebalekile eyokuthi thina madoda ufuna simmele ubudoda bethu noma ngabe kwenzeka
kahle ke leyo
ufuna sidefend lento esayidalelwa uNkulunkulu yazi uNkulunkulu wayene reason yokusidala iyona le nto noma ngabe kwenzakalani kufanele simele yona noma abantu bangasikhomba bathini masingabudefendile ubudoda bethu hayi
njengoba izoselinjena nje kubalekile kakhulu sibe strong
iningi kakhulu into eyenziwa amadoda uNkulunkulu akasidalelanga yona bese uyabona ukuthi uyazi le ndoda yenza into wrong
yabona nje manje ke kuzuyigona nje ingane entombazane encane manje kuzothiwa igonelana ke kuyiqabule esihlathini manje
kuzothiwa wena njengendoda yini eyenzeka kuwena mogone ingane encane because wena siqala kuwena hayi ukuthi kuzothiwa angithi amadoda sonele bonke labantu kanti manje kuba amadoda akasonelile yabona mina nginengane ezu7 zamantombazane fanele ngiyithande kusho ukuthi sizothanda ubani mangabe ngingazithandi
yabo
kodwa kunogcopho ukuthi kuzosolakala ukuthi yazi ngathi sayithanda kakhulu umsele kulengane sekunenkingi yenziwa indoda leyo
yenziwa indoda
uma ngabe indoda ingayenzanga leyo nto ngabe kurani ngaba yikho
ngeke uzokwazi isho igeza manje ngani
yakho so we must make sure ukuthi we defend ubudoda ngezinto esizenzayo uyazi ngeke ngavakashelwe enye indoda uyabona ngikhale kakhulu lapha ku-TV amadoda akakhali akafuni ukukhombisa ukuthi ayazwela anepain akakhombisa kanti ngesikhathi enza njalo ayacabanga ukuthi yazi lo nkosikazi avela mbulale nezingane
instead of ukukhala
yes kufanele sithole indawo eyethu ephephile esafe yokukhalela siyokhuluma kuyona ukuthi nako ngigilo nkosikazi waphi yabona into umfundisi umphathi avibalekile ukuthi wakwazi.
After speaking, Musamseleka is on the next level, guys. Have you noticed the Musamseleka that you see on this video compared to the one that we know on Usanene Tembo season 8 reality show? It's a total different two people. You would think that's not Musamseleka. A direct section Musamseleka is totally different to the things that he's saying on this video. I feel like, guys, as much as we might say a lot on Musamseleka, but he's not that bad, Sometimes these people do act for the camera. I don't think Umayini, guys, she's exactly the way she presents herself on her diary section. Maybe Umayini, guys, she's a cool person. She's always minding her own business. But in diary section, yeah, guys, you know, you would think Umayini, she's so rude, she's so selfish, she doesn't like the other wives, you know. Yes, they might not like each other, but she's not that bad. She once mentioned Kule season, it was not in December season 5, saying, oh, what people are acting for the camera. I think they know that we love drama, so that's why they always want to give us a drama. You know, the fact that here on this video he's saying that the men need to love their daughters. He has 7 daughters and he loved them all. On the temple, we have seen people have been saying what he doesn't care go snare, and right now he's busy using snare. But on this video, Musamsalaka is saying that uyawatanda ingane zakhe, guys. So you can see with these people, so they know that let's just act as if I hate snare so that people can talk about it. You know, I love Enhle Abongwe, I love Umpumele. You know, they will do anything to act. And there's something that is also mentioning on this video saying, Ogote, my daughter, they need their own place, their own little secret where they can share their own problems, which is a good thing, guys. Being a man in South Africa, it's not easy. You gotta come here on social media crying, sharing your problems, saying, oh, what say this thing has been happening between me and my wife. Trust me and believe, people, they're gonna love you on social media. It's not everyone that can use social media and get help. Yeah, people do get help, guys, but it's not everyone. That's why men end up taking decision later on. They do regret. So they rather have their own place outside social media where they can share their problem. You know, they can talk about things that they go through. Like Lumfundisi, guys. I feel like Lumfundisi is going through a lot. Although he has accepted his wife cheated on her, she had to leave him. You know, there's a lot people go through. Imagine being cheated, Umfundisi, guys. You know, people do go through a lot. I'm not gonna lie, guys. And you know what? It seems like Musamsalaka is from church. He's a pastor. He's a preaching. Yo, guys, I feel like this season, Musamsalaka is making sure what he's taking care of Maitele, guys. You can see the jacket that he's holding. Yeah, Maitele, guys. Maybe they did attend a church service, you know, Maitele, because Maitele, guys, she's a church girl. So Musamsalaka, guys, maybe he's feeling guilty for Maitele, because Maitele, guys, let's all be honest, Maitele, she's been begezeling for more than 20 years. So maybe this season Musamsalaka is appreciating Maitele. If you go to Musamsalaka's social media pages, she has been posting Maitele, guys. He has been posting Maitele, appreciating Ndlunkulu Maitele. So I really do understand. Yes, I understand the other wives went through a lot, Abo Mayeni, Abo Makhumalo, and Abo Mangwabe. But as for Maitele, guys, she's begezela, guys. Ugeli begezela, accepted Mayeni, accepted Makhumalo, accepted Mangwabe, and accepted Usamke right now. So I feel like Musamsalaka is just doing it just to appreciate Maitele. What's Aibong Oscars Wami? Thank you for being there for me. Even in this season, season 8, we can see, although she acts as if she doesn't care Usamke, but deep down we know that Maitele has no choice but to accept Usamke, guys. But anyway, guys, tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this? Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Sunday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.